Hi everyone, today I will be explaining on how I completed questions 4 and 5 of the Excel assignment. So the quadratic equation is in the form of y equals to ax squared plus bx plus c. A, b, and c are stored in the start cells G4, I4, and K4 respectively. For the first x-intercept, the Excel formula is that negative I4 plus SQRT times bracket I4 to the power of 2 minus 4 times G4 times K4 bracket. So go to your bracket and then you divide it by 2 times G4. For the second x-intercept, the formula is bracket negative I4 minus SQRT times bracket I4 to the power of 2 minus 4 times G4 times K4. And then you hold in your bracket and then you divide it by 2 times G4. Example 5 in A, B 2, and C negative 3. The first x-intercept and the second x-intercept changes in the value. Now to 4b, the vertex form of a quadratic equation is y equals to a bracket x plus m to the power of 2 plus n. The first yellow box displays the value of a equals to G4. Second box, negative I4 divided by 2 times G4. And the third box, K4 minus bracket I4 to the power of 2. Then after the whole thing, you divide it by 4 times G4. For A, let's put it as 1. B, let's put it as 6. C as negative 2. Values change. Question 5a, the objective is to make the orange curve match the blue target curve as closely as possible. I adjusted the values of A, B, and C in the start cells, which are your G4, I4, and K4. I changed the values of A 0.350 and B 658. C is negative 4.80. Second example, A 0.257, B 0.680. D as negative 4.430. Close to the blue curve. Question 5b, instead of using the trial and error method, I used accurate points from the blue target curve. I changed the x value in the pink input cell and recorded the corresponding y values from the blue curve. For this assignment, I used 3 following points. So for negative 4, negative 3.6610 is negative 4.645. For 2.595. Since a quadratic equation is in the form of y equals to ax squared plus bx plus c, there are 3 unknown coefficients, namely a, b, and c. After solving this equation, I obtained the coefficients and I entered the values into the start cell. So for A, 0.257, B, 0.782, and C, 445. And then you can see that orange curve closely matched to the blue target curve. Thank you.